Ooh, got a little snow last night. More than usual. You know, I gotta keep giving you guys the same view of the snow we get. It was really snowing good last night. Can't wait for the overhang to start falling off. It looks pretty cool down through here when it falls off. So, yeah, we got a little bit more snow. The corn stalks ain't quite covered yet, but it's getting there. Things are definitely covered white around here now, though. Still ain't got the start in the truck yet. Bummer. It's cold out here, so let's go in. View. Some snow in the woods. Roads were covered last night. I ain't sitting in that recliner anytime soon. Not either, for that matter. Damn, it's cold out here. Rex, no, you just went out. Susie's out now. Alrighty. See what else we can video. Yeah, it did get worse. Some nice roads to drive on. No plows yet. I gotta focus down. There it goes. Hey, that's blurry. Trying to zoom in on the snowflakes or something. Jimmy. Should plow the driveway, huh?
Hold on. Don't you know me?
Yeah, lovely, huh?
Stop this, Tim. Look.
Ooh, dark, cold out. Somebody off the road down there?
Obviously. Yeah.
Can't quite see the car. It's off in there somewhere. Boomer, huh? Bummer boomer.
This is Manny. She's the parents' fitness trainer. His son discovered.
Uh-oh, Harley's here.
These lasers.
Yes. Gotta back up on the road anyways. 2:30 in the morning. I had to get my 2:30 in the morning cut. I had to get my 2:30 in the morning cut.
Oh. Trying to get the fucking ice off this damn thing. Fucking shit's fucking deep. This is stupid.
Yeah, dark, cold, snowy. Harley just leaving and his girl. It's deep out there. Back roads home, eh? Wait. Pushing the door open this morning. Just opened it a little bit here. This is after the next morning. Go ahead, Rex. Go ahead, I got the door open. That's some snow. That's some overnight snow, I should say. Corn stalk still ain't covered out there. It's pretty in there.
Back's first.
Opening up the door this morning. Oh my God. What the hell? Harley, you're glad you left when you did, dude. That's just coming outside. Damn, son. A little bit of snowing and blowing and drifting. You guys that don't get snow, be grateful. You gotta come out when it's snow and cold and crap, and man, I wish I had got the starter in that in time. Son of a gun. Could use some other choice words, but cool. Gotta love it. Where's all the snowmobiles? Well, why did you shovel last night? What the hell? Get back out there, woman. You want to let Rex in? He probably is. I see all his tracks over here and his dookie pile. Put Susie out. Man. First winter of 2010. First real snowstorm of 2010. Let's put it that way. And it's still snowing. It's supposed to snow. We're in a snow advisory till 6 p.m. tonight. And that came on last night about 8 o'clock when we were watching TV before Harley got here. Ugh. Wish I had a snowmobile now. Wish I had a snowmobile now. Good thing Nate got his for free, huh? You gotta get yours going. You still got yours?
Oh yeah, that started a lot better.
Sweet! Go through the snowbank over there. Snow's coming down really hard now. They were supposed to get a lot more tonight.